Hello student of class 3rd. I will teach you the second chapter of EVS. Its name is Keeping Safe and Healthy. Now we will be talked about keeping safe and healthy. There are many things we come across in our daily life which can hurt us. It is well known fact that prevent is better than cure. This saying calls us to be safe always. We need keep ourselves safe from accident and disease. In this chapter, we are going to study about how to keep ourselves safe and healthy in different places. Every place has safety rules of its own, such as on the road, at school, and at home. Safety rules on the road. Never jump a red light. Always wear seat belt. Nowadays, accidents are becoming very common on the roads. So, always wear seat belt. Use the zebra crossing. Do not play on the road. Follow road signs while driving. Don't forget to wear seat belt in a moving four-wheeler and a helmet on a two-wheeler. Safety at home and at school. Never use scissors without adult supervision. Do not play with things made of glass. Be careful on the swings. Falling down. Falling down is another major reason for getting hurt at home or school. We can fall down while playing, jumping, or running. We should not jump off a moving swing or ride. Do not stand near the swings. Do not play or run up and down on the stairs. Do not litter your things on the floor. Electric shocks. Electricity is useful to us, but carelessness can make it very dangerous. Electrical appliances like TV, refrigerator, cooler, toaster, iron can give electric shocks if not used or maintained properly. Electric shocks can be fatal for life. The following measures must be taken to prevent electric shocks. Always use sand to put out electric fires. Do not touch electric switches with bad hands or barefooted. Switch off the main supply in case of an electric shock. Burn and boils. Burn on skin can be caused by fire, steam, or some boiling liquid. Burns are common while working in the kitchen. What serious burn can be avoided by following these safety rules. Do not light matchstick for fun. Do not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. They catch fire easily. Never touch or hold any hot utensil without a pair of tongue or a thick cloth. Open all windows and doors in case of LPG leakage. Do not any medicine on your own. Take medical help whenever required. If you accidentally swallow some poisonous substances, see a doctor immediately. First aid. It is the first immediate help given to an injured or sick person before the arrival of a doctor. It can save a person's life if given properly. Some training is required to give first aid. Do not panic in case of an accident. Help the victim, make them feel comfortable. Call an ambulance. Apart from accident, our health can be compromised if we will fall ill. What should we do to keep ourselves healthy? Good health refers to the state of overall being of a person. The key to good health lies in always wash hands before and after meals. Food should always be kept covered. Regular exercise. Regular exercise keeps our body fit, strong, and healthy. We can do exercise in the form of brisk walking, jogging, cycling, yoga, swimming, or any other physical activities. Swimming is a good exercise. Proper rest and sound sleep. Along with exercise, our body needs rest. We need 8 hours of night sleep to stay healthy. We should also take out time to relax ourselves by taking a short nap in a day. Why simply lying down listening to some music or by reading a book? Our body gets time to repair the wear and tear when we sleep. Now, cleanliness. Do you remember how many times your mother has scolded you for not brushing your teeth or for not cutting your nails? It is important to keep our body clean. Many germs live in dirt that can cause diseases. What should be to keep ourselves clean? We should bath regularly and wear clean clothes every day. We should brush our teeth to keep away germs from our teeth. We should always cut our nails regularly. Let us promise ourselves to be safe and healthy by following all these tips. Students, study at home, stay safe, and bye bye.